Good morning, Namaste, Pranam to all brothers and sisters of India. I am Dr. Divakaran Cochin. My subject is Medical Sciences and Astrology. Today I am going to speak about cholesterol. Cholesterol is a soft waxy substance that is essential to our well-being. It is used for the manufacture of hormones, bile acids and vitamins D. Cholesterol is a fatty substance found in all animal fats, oils, milk, yolk of egg, liver and kidneys. Cholesterol is also manufactured by your liver. Cholesterol in the right quantity is not harmful for your body. In fact, it has many vital functions in your body, like formation of certain hormones and necessary tissues. Any food that comes from the animal contains cholesterol. Meat, fish, egg, milk and dairy products. Food that comes from plants do not contain cholesterol. A fruit, vegetables, grains, wheat, oats, rice, etc. have no cholesterol. While we need some fat in the body, the problem rises from too much of the wrong kind of fat. The cholesterol in our body is in many forms. HDL. Cholesterol is the friendly cholesterol, which prevents hardening of the arteries and thus protect your heart. It removes excess of cholesterol from the blood before it can deposit on artery walls. LDL cholesterol is the bad cholesterol, as it narrows blood vessels and damages your heart. For a healthy heart, it is desirable to have a blood LDL to HDL ratio of 2:1. The liver manufactures cholesterol in sufficient quantity for normal body functions. Even when we consume no cholesterol at all. Besides, cholesterol in your food, the saturated fats we eat encourages the liver to produce more cholesterol. In rare cases, the liver makes more cholesterol than it should. You may have no symptoms, though the extra cholesterol may slowly clog your arteries. In fact, the first indication of something being wrong could be a fatal heart attack. Cholesterol travels in your bloodstream in a package called lipoprotein. The cholesterol and fat known as lipids do not mix well with blood. In order for these lipids to travel through the blood streams, your liver wraps liquids in proteins, forming lipoproteins. This ends up sticking along blood vessel walls. The clogging of the arteries is known as atherosclerosis. When an artery of our heart is blocked, it can lead to a heart attack. And when an artery to our brain is blocked, it can lead to stroke. If left side is blocked, your right side will be paralyzed or stroke. Your right side is controlled by your left side of the body. Left side of the brain is controlled your right side of the body. If Sun, Saturn, Rahu, Ketu in the 4th house, in an inimical sign shown, one may suffer from heart disease. If Mars or Saturn or weak Jupiter occupies the 4th house aspected by Malefic, the native will get heart disease. If weak Jupiter or Saturn, who is the owner of the 6th house, occupies the 4th house, the native will get heart disease. If the lord of the 5th house is delicately with Maudhyam and the moon also malefic, the person may get low density cholesterol that blocks your arteries and makes heart disease. Thank you very much. I'll come tomorrow with other subjects. If you like my subject, please subscribe and the bell button must be switched on.